Let me begin today with a simple but powerful question. Have you noticed any change in your balance lately? Maybe you feel slightly wobbly while standing, or you've had a moment where you almost tripped or stumbled for no reason. If you're over the age of 60, this is more common than you think. As we grow older, our body's balance system weakens naturally. Muscles shrink, reflexes slow down, and even the inner ear and brain's coordination can decline. And that's exactly why seniors become more vulnerable to falls, broken bones, and serious hospital visits. But the good news is, you don't need long workouts, gym equipment, or expensive trainers to rebuild your balance. All it takes is 5 minutes a day, right in your living room, using just 5 easy and medically supported exercises. These movements may look simple, but they directly activate and train the muscles, joints, and nerves responsible for stability and posture. And they're especially chosen for seniors who want to stay mobile, confident, and independent. Let's begin with a very powerful yet underrated exercise called the tandem stand. For 1 minute, stand tall and place one foot directly in front of the other, as if you're standing on a tightrope with the heel of your front foot touching the toes of the back foot. Keep your feet in line, maintain your posture, and try to hold this position for 30 seconds. If you're able, switch the feet and hold for another 30 seconds. If it's difficult, do it near a wall or countertop for safety. This narrow stance challenges your body's stability and forces your muscles and inner ear to work together to keep you upright. It is one of the most effective static balance exercises used in physical therapy and neurological rehabilitation for seniors, and it improves your ability to stay steady during real-life activities like walking through narrow spaces or turning quickly. Next, try the single leg stance. Stand near a wall or counter and lift one foot slightly off the ground, balancing on the other leg for about 30 seconds. Then switch to the other foot. If this is difficult, don't worry. Just hold on to a chair lightly at first. This exercise activates the tiny muscles in your feet, ankles, and legs that help you stay steady while walking, turning, or climbing stairs. Over time, as you improve, you can try doing it without any support. Studies show that consistent practice of this one move significantly reduces fall risks in people over the age of 65. It's simple, but incredibly effective. Now let's work on something even more functional, the sit-to-stand movement. Sit upright on a firm chair with your feet flat on the floor and your arms crossed over your chest or just resting on your knees. Slowly lean forward, press your heels into the floor, and rise up to a standing position. Then, lower yourself gently back into the chair. This movement trains your thighs, hips, and lower back, muscles you use every single day to get out of bed, off the toilet, or up from the sofa. It also strengthens the connection between your muscles and your nervous system, which improves not just strength, but body awareness. Repeat this motion for 1 full minute. If that's too much, start with 30 seconds and build up. The fourth exercise focuses on your hip and side stability, key elements for balance while walking or moving laterally. Stand behind a chair, place your hands on the backrest, and gently raise one leg out to the side while keeping it straight. Hold it in the air for a second, then bring it back down. Do this slowly for about 30 seconds on each leg. This is called a side leg raise, and it strengthens the outer hips and gluteal muscles. These muscles often weaken with age, leading to poor side-to-side balance and increasing the chances of slipping or losing control while turning. Keep your upper body still and avoid leaning to the side. It's the leg, not the torso, that should move. Finally, let's wrap up with chair marching. This is a seated exercise, perfect for seniors who feel unsteady while standing or walking. Sit in a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the ground. Begin lifting your knees one at a time as if you're marching in place. Do this for 1 minute at a comfortable rhythm. You can pump your arms slightly for coordination if it feels natural. Chair marching is fantastic because it works the hip flexors, thighs, and abdominal muscles, all of which play a role in walking stability. At the same time, it improves circulation and brings mobility to stiff joints, all without putting stress on the lower back or knees. It's a gentle but powerful move for those who want to stay active without risk. That's it. Just 5 minutes of your day, 5 exercises. No equipment, no special clothing, and no pressure. And yet, if you do these movements every day, you'll feel a noticeable improvement in your posture, your steadiness while walking, and your overall physical confidence. These exercises are backed by physiotherapists and geriatric health researchers. They're not about building muscles like a bodybuilder, they're about protecting your independence and quality of life. But remember, if you have any medical conditions or physical limitations, always talk to your doctor or physiotherapist before starting new exercises. Safety comes first. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with someone who needs it. Your support helps us reach more people who can benefit from these science-backed tips. And don't forget to subscribe to KNF Science and press the bell icon so you never miss a video. Stay active, stay strong, and stay balanced.